Hi, I'm Jackie Bondell, and I'm the Education and Outreach Coordinator for OSGRAV, which is the ARC Center of Excellence for Gravitational Wave Discovery based in Melbourne, Australia. For this poster, I'm going to highlight virtual reality for astronomy education by looking at a case study of a program that we developed at OSGRAV. So what? Mission Gravity and Gravity Explorer are multi-platform virtual environments that allow students to travel to stars, study their evolution, study their gravitational fields by using interactive tools like a virtual laboratory. And we chose to do this because virtual reality technologies can enhance students' understanding of content by helping them not only visualize things that can be difficult to see, but by also engaging more senses in their learning process. Now, we have done this. We've created these freely accessible resources that are goaled to be engaging for students, pedagogically relevant, and curriculum aligned for teachers, and representative of current science by using this interactive technology to build that engagement. And we've delivered this to thousands of students and hundreds of teachers over the previous few years. And what I'm going to do is just going to highlight how we designed this program and then point you in the direction towards some additional resources if this is something that you want to look at further. So, beyond just developing, some, good technology, we started with the curriculum, so let the curriculum drive what we were doing, and we chose to use a student-centered pedagogy that allowed students to work in groups to build their understanding of these astronomy topics based off their observations, with those observations being in a virtual environment. We chose to look at how this technology was enhancing and elevating the curriculum by using a SAMR model. We developed lessons to support teachers in implementing this using the 5E lesson plan. We chose to use a mid-range virtual reality equipment so that we could travel into schools and use something that's more accessible to a wider variety of students and schools. And we developed our VR software in-house so that we could let the curriculum drive what we wanted it to represent. So you can scan this QR code. This will take you to a document with some links to learn more about these various virtual programs. And please feel free to reach out to me directly at jbondell@swin.edu.